Here we have a 6-cylinder radial, they call it a steam engine. I can't imagine it's going to run on steam, but we'll find out. Mostly aluminum, got some brass and steel pistons in it. And there she goes. She's running on about 1.5 pounds, looks like, less than 2. The really neat part is the back side. How true that flywheel runs perfectly. And I just love that feature. I think that's really, really neat. This is made in Northeast Indiana, and it's made by, let's see, it's all printed right here on the base. See if I can capture that. It's engraved. Machined. Manufactured by the South Adams Area 18 Advanced Machinist Trades. Group Northeastern Indiana. And let's see, this one is 17 of 40. They only made 40 of them. I saw that and just had to have it. Especially being made in Indiana by a trade school. High schoolers made this. Let's turn it up a little bit. This runs as smooth as silk. That's 5 pounds right there. And it's 3 pounds. I think I'll chrome or nickel plate that nut. One of the pictures showed it being the same as the rest of it, but it's not what I got. Beautifully well made. There's 10 pounds. Mesmerizing. I don't know if you can hear it clicking over. Anyway, we'll try her on steam next. See what happens there.